Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Workitmama Lifestyle Vlogs. My name is Reema. You know me as Workitmama on here and on Instagram. I make motivating videos for moms like me that work part-time and need motivation for mom life, motherhood, and lifestyle. We try to stay motivated and organized on my channel and live our best life. So if you are new, go ahead and click the subscribe button and join my community. Today we're going to be cleaning the house. So today's video is a clean with me video. I am going to be showing you my daily chore routine. These are just things that I need to absolutely have to get done on a regular basis with a little extra since it is Sunday and I want to give you some motivation for the rest of the week to get your week off right. So if you guys need some cleaning motivation, put me on your TV, turn up the music, put me on your laptop, your cell phone, either way, and clean along with me. Really hope that you enjoy this clean with me and get a lot of motivation out of it. And guys, you know we've got a lot to do, so let's get started.
They don't believe I'm okay, but I'm impulsive, I'm not insane. High on life in the night, no anxiety. Well, I agree, life is great, but let me live it my own way. High on life in the night, no anxiety. But I live a lie, insecure, always on my phone. Yeah, I live a lie, don't really know how life was before.
So to scrub out the kitchen sink, I am using the Miss Myers in the lemon verbena scent. It is the baking soda vinegar mix and I love this. I have been using this for maybe 2 years now. It is my all-time favorite. It freshens up the sink, it cleans. I feel like it really cleans the drain well, and it just kind of gets rid of any odors and makes my sink really shiny. I really recommend this product. I just love it. It is my favorite.
I live a lie, insecure, always on my phone. Yeah, I live a lie, don't really know how life was before. But I do what I like and I do as I please. Ooh, 'cause I was born in the 90s. But I do what I like and I do as I please. Ooh, 'cause I was born in the 90s. Everything seems out of place. This morning is an ordinary phase. So we both just let it go. You say hi and I just say hello. It's a little lonely, but it will be the only thing that isn't perfect. I could say it won't be regrets of 10 million faces. You were the one I just couldn't forget. Don't you worry, I am on your side. Want to love even a broken Would you like to stay till dawn? I know it's late, but I'm still hanging on. The lights are out, the city sleeps. You and me is everything we need. I don't want to be lonely, but it will be the only thing I fear with us two. Tell me, would you like to let me in and stay there? Isn't this what your heart wants? And there, don't you
So my kids are usually really good at keeping their rooms tidy and making sure to make their beds in the morning, but on this particular day we had a really early start. The kids had some activities they needed to get to and we were running a little late. So I decided that I would just do the beds myself and tidy up their room. Plus it gives me a chance to kind of check on things and see what needs to get done in here. But typically they are pretty good at making sure that their rooms are neat. And then I go in and I do a deeper clean and I check on everything. Surprisingly, it's my younger two that are really good at keeping things neat, and my older two are a little bit messy. So I don't know how that worked out, but it's funny when you have 4 kids, how each one will have a different personality. It really is amazing. But yeah, my younger two are the neater ones, the more organized ones. But anyway, so I'm just going to be in their bedrooms, making sure that everything is okay and tidying up for them.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to...
Okay, so we're at my least favorite chore, which is laundry. Now I don't mind loading it, I just don't enjoy folding it and putting away. I try to stay on top of it, but with so many people in the house, sometimes it can get overwhelming. And if I don't work on this, especially on a Sunday, and make sure that we're all set for the week, then it will pile up on me during the week and it just becomes chaos. So if you are cleaning along with me, go get your laundry started, put a wash in the washing machine and get moving before Monday comes around. It's just around the corner. And leave me a comment below telling me what your least favorite chore is to do. I'm really curious to know.
I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody, I need somebody to love. I need somebody, I need somebody. Give me
When I met you, when we started off, it sure was a different kind of love. Should I get up? Should I get up and stop it right before it had begun? I was the morning dove, and you were the home chasing me through the air. You love like you didn't care. Different kind, a different kind of love. A different kind, a different kind of love. A different kind, a different kind of love. A different kind, a different kind of. Nothing's easy, nothing's ever
So I get a question now and then about how I fold my fitted sheets, and I just thought I would show you here real quick. I do have one video posted a long time ago on how I fold fitted sheets, but I thought I'd just include this in here for you since I was going to be doing it anyway. So basically you just match up the corners on both sides after folding the sheet in half, and just make sure that you've got the corners connected, and then fold over so that you match the corners and fold it into another half this way right here. Then pull it tight. Usually at this point I like to lay it on the floor just so I can get a smooth, or the bed, whatever you're around, and just kind of smooth it down. Make a straight line on the top, fold it over in thirds, and then fold it again however way that you have room in your linen closet, but I like to do it in thirds so that it matches the flat sheet. And there you go, you have a nice neat package of your fitted sheet.
You love like you didn't care. Different kind, a different kind of love. A different kind, a different kind of love. A different kind, a different kind of love. A different kind, a different kind of love. Let me feel your love again.
Alright guys, so that's it for today's Clean With Me. I really hope that you got some motivation out of this and that you try folding your fitted sheet in the way that I showed you. It's not that hard. Do it a couple of times and I'm sure you will get the hang of it. Thank you so much for spending some of your day with me. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Check out my other videos. I have a lot of cleaning motivation videos, a lot of playlists that you can use to grab some motivation. Alright guys, I will see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Bye!
I don't even know if you can